Wireless communication methods. Bluetooth. This uses wireless frequencies between 2402 and 2480 MHz. Bluetooth splits data into packets which can be transmitted across 79 channels. It is typically used between mobile devices and a range of accessories and devices. It requires very little power to operate, doesn't require line of sight but has a limited range of about 10 meters. Wi-Fi. It operates in the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. It is used in portable devices such as laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. The main advantage of Wi-Fi is that it enables connections to a LAN without needing cables, which can be costly to install and may be impractical in some situations. Connection speeds are not as fast as wired connections, but they are still very high. However, security is a concern, especially in public Wi-Fi hotspots, as hackers do not need a physical connection to infiltrate the network. Radio. RFID, radio frequency identification, uses electromagnetic fields to identify and track small RFID chips. These are usually used in shops and security tags. A more advanced form of RFID is NFC, near-field communication, used in wireless keycards and credit and debit cards for contactless payments. Modern smartphones can also read NFC tags, much like reading QR codes. Smartphones also contain NFC chips for contactless payments, Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, etc.